Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we will see how to make beef roast, a side dish that can be served along with any main dish. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to the subscribe button to stay connected. Let's get started. Let's check out the ingredients. Here I have taken 1 kilo of beef cubes, 2 tablespoons of grated garlic, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, a tablespoon of black pepper powder, a tablespoon of fennel seed powder, a tablespoon of cumin powder, a tablespoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a few curry leaves, a cup of water, 3 tablespoons of oil. First let's pressure cook the meat. 1 kilo of beef cubes. In that I am adding 2 tablespoons of grated garlic, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of fennel seed powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, a few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt. Combine all of this together. Instead of grated ginger and garlic, you may even use ginger garlic paste. Add a cup of water. Mix well. Cover the pressure cooker and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes or keep for about 7 to 8 whistles. We need it in a roast form. Let the water reduce. Meat is cooked well. Now the gravy is thickened to the desired level. Heat up a pan. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to it. You may even use ghee or coconut oil instead. When the oil is hot enough, add the cooked meat. Beef roast is done. Add some coriander and curry leaves. We can easily convert this beef roast to beef dry fry. I am taking half of it now and I am going to dry fry the other half. This dry fry you can refrigerate for a month and it will be good in the freezer for up to 3 months. Even though I fried the meat, it's still soft and tender. Finally, I'm adding a teaspoon of both fennel and pepper powder. Pepper can be adjusted as per your taste. Beef dry fry is ready. Garnish with some coriander leaves. Do try this. Drop your opinion and suggestions in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.